Hey, what's going on, my friends? I'm sending you a lot of good energy. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I will be talking today about subliminal videos and how they can change your life and how to make them or how to use them the most effectively so you will be able to attract your best possible results. So subliminal videos, the whole thing which you need to know about manifesting is that reality is always reflecting you what you're holding in your feelings and beliefs. So your deepest beliefs will be always reflected in the reality. And here the most important thing to understand here is that it is not about what kind of thoughts are running in your mind, but what kind of beliefs you are holding in your heart. But here is running a whole chain. I will post a picture here again about, I was talking about it in my previous videos, and the thing is that our thoughts are creating emotions in our body, and emotions are creating feelings which eventually becomes beliefs. So now if we are able to understand it, it is important what we are thinking about, because those thoughts will create emotions in our heart, in our body. And the reason why it is important is because everything is connected, everything is going in a circle, and it starts with our thoughts. So where our thoughts are coming from? Our thoughts are coming from our perception of how we are seeing the environment, how we are seeing our life around us. That's where our picture in our mind is coming from. This picture, these thoughts, our thoughts are expressed in voice, in pictures, in ideas, in different forms of ideas. And if this thought is more inspiring, we are able to see it also in a vision, or sometimes we are also able to hear a sound of a thought. It really depends of how inspiring it is. And more it is inspiring, stronger we will be able to feel it in our emotions. Emotions are coming from our lower part of the body, and stronger they are, more elevated they are, more positive they are, faster they will come to our heart, and our heart will create those beliefs, those feelings, which will then send the signals to the universe. So as you can see now, it is a whole chain which is happening in our body. So why I'm explaining this to you? It's important to understand that because when you are listening those subliminal affirmations, or you're watching subliminal videos, it's important to understand this, because if you will be just listening them and you will not feel anything in your body, they will not work. Probably they will not work. So the most important thing when it comes to affirmations and subliminal videos is that you feel what you are listening. You feel what you are listening with your body. So in order to really achieve that elevated emotions while you are listening affirmations, you need to be really conscious about how you're listening, how clear you're listening those affirmations. So take time, take take time in a day just for that. It can be like a meditation. Sit down, lay down, and start playing the affirmations and become really conscious about those words. Because when you will be conscious about those words, you will be able to feel it, because you will be imagining how it would be if you already have it. And the trick here is, when you are able to feel it as you already have it, then you will be also able to feel it. Because if you can see that you have it already, you are also able to feel it. So you will awaken the emotions from your future self. And because of that, you will create a belief that you already have it. And this belief, as you already have it, will send a signal to the universe, and the universe will reflect back to you the reflection of that belief. So reality is just a mirror of our deepest beliefs, and with affirmations and subliminal videos, we can reprogram ourselves to change the reflection. So if you can understand now where is the trick with us, with all the subliminal affirmations, the trick is in our belief system, in our heart, in how we are feeling what we are listening. And because when you will learn to become more conscious about what you are listening, you will also become more conscious about what is going on around yourself right now. And you will be able to remove the things which are not serving you anymore. And you will see that it is really important how you are talking, how you are thinking. Your thoughts are not creating your reality, your beliefs are, but your thoughts are creating your emotions, which eventually are creating your beliefs. Your feelings eventually becomes your beliefs. So it's important how you are thinking, how you are talking. Stop saying I'm broke. Stop saying, oh, I'm so sick all the time. Stop saying my life is a misery. Stop saying that, because you are reflecting it, and the universe will bring even more of that to you. It's important to see yourself as you already have it. It's important to see yourself that you already have it. If you can imagine anything you want, you need to imagine yourself that you have it. Stop thinking you want more of it, but think you already have infinite abundance of it. Here is the trick. It's a really tricky thing here, because people are thinking, I want this, I want more of it, I want more of it, but you will just manifest more of the wanting. You will manifest more wanting, not the thing. You will manifest wanting, because everything is happening in the present moment. We are really powerful creators. You are a powerful creator. But if you are not using this law smart enough, you will be constantly manifesting. You will constantly manifest something that you don't want to experience. So start talking as you already have it. Start acting as you already have it. Become as you already have your dream life, and it will just come to you. It will be just reflected. Here is the trick. Become in your mind who you want to be in your world. Become the change that you want to see. That's the whole trick. Become who you want to be. Become right now who you want to be. Type in the comments below, I am. I'm sending you all blessings and love on your beautiful journey. I'm sending you lots of energy for manifesting. It all starts here, and then here, and then in your heart, from emotions to your heart, and you are already there. It's coming to you right now. Peace. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel somewhere here. You can also find my work on Instagram and Facebook by the name AttractPassion. See you there and have a beautiful day.